you're just here to get a quick definition of anchor text, here it is. Anchor text is the text that you use in your links. Very simple, but I'd recommend that you stick around because I'm going to talk about anchor text in a little more detail. When you put a link on your page, the link is usually a combination of two elements. The first element is the URL of the page you're linking to, and the second element is the anchor text. So, here's an example. Let's say you're writing about sheep, because I think we can all agree that that's the type of content everyone wants to see. In this piece of sheep-related content, you have a sentence that says, owning sheep requires you to know how sheep shearing works. Then, let's say you want to link to a page about shearing sheep. So you highlight the words sheep shearing and add a hyperlink to that additional page. In that example, the words sheep shearing would be the anchor text. But what's so important about anchor text that we've bothered to make this whole video about it on SEO.com? The answer is that anchor text helps Google and people know what your pages are about. So let's go back to that sheep example. You want your page about sheep shearing to rank well in Google search results, right? And not just any Google search results, but relevant Google search results. For that to happen, you need Google to understand exactly what your page is all about. It can figure that out to a certain extent from the actual content on the page, as well as from the keywords you include there. But anchor text is a good additional signal of what content a page covers. So, when you link to that page from a different page using the anchor text sheep shearing, it clearly communicates that the page being linked to is about, you guessed it, shearing sheep. That makes Google more likely to rank that page high in search results for queries about shearing sheep. Step 1 to optimize your anchor text is to keep it short, but still more than one word if possible. You want your anchor text to be on the short side, but still long enough that it gives a decent description of the page it's linking to. Somewhere between 2 and 5 words is usually a good length. Sheep shearing. And now that you've had enough about sheep shearing, since the whole benefit of anchor text is that it provides context about the pages it links to, you should also avoid using phrases like click here for your anchor text. That doesn't tell us anything useful. Use words that relate to what's on the page. Finally, avoid keyword stuffing your anchor text. It can be tempting to go that route, but Google may penalize you for it. Don't mess with Google. And that's a basic introduction to anchor text. If you want to learn some more helpful information about how you can improve your linking or your overall SEO, be sure to check out some more content here on SEO.com.